Hello, my name is Tevi and I'm from Delight, and today I want to give you a tutorial of how to use mARk for the first time. As you can see, this is the second version of my mARk tutorial, and I want to make it in slightly different way. I hope you will enjoy it. But the most important thing, of course, that you can follow my explanation clearly. That is the most important thing. And okay, now we can start. But first, of course, you need to connect your computer, your PC, your laptop, or anything with your webcam. And if everything is already ready, you start mARk, and you will see your screen exactly like what you see now here. The first step you have to do is first you have to add a model into the media library here. Just go to this media library panel, right click and select add model. After that you can select a model you would like to open. You can do multiple selection if you want, but now I just select one, chair for example, and I just open it. It's loading. Now the model is added to the media library, and here you see the name of the model and the markers column here. You can type any marker you want, any number. The maximum is 550. It starts from 0 to 550, and I will just type for example number 11 now, and you see here the icon of a marker will also change. And now we will check how the model look like. We go to the 3D preview tab. Yeah, and now you see the model here. You see the marker preview and you see the model. But marker preview you see here only works for mARk Studio version and mARk Pro version. But for mARk Lite or mARk trial version, you may not see this marker here. But that's not really a big problem, because that's only an additional interesting additional feature for our mARk software. And now after you can see the model, you can of course you can check the model by rotating the model around like this, and you can zoom in, zoom out by scrolling your mouse, and you can just rotate by holding the left mouse button. Yeah, and you can just pan the model like this by holding the middle mouse button and drag around like this. That's really easy, I think. And now if you look into this panel, you can adjust the property of this model. For example, the rotation, translation, and the scaling of the model. For fixed position and visibility is advanced feature. I will explain in another tutorial. But now I will just focus on this. So uniform scale is you can scaling your model. For example, you can make it bigger like this twice, or half of it. Yeah, something like that. And the rotation, oh, that is too big. That I just want to make it 100%. And translation, this you can just scroll your mouse inside the the box, and then you can see that it's moving. That's really easy. And also rotation. For example, I want to rotate this like this. Yeah. But this is only a 3D preview. And how if I want to see in augmented reality view? Before you see your model in the augmented reality view, you need first print your marker. And here you see the button with the marker icon. That's how you can print the marker. Press the button, just select the active markers, press print, and just select your printer, any printer you want, and click print here. Sorry, it's in Dutch, but it's printing. Now your marker, it's printed. After your marker is printed, you may need to cut your markers from the papers, and then you can just print the markers and put the markers in front of your web camera. And if you are ready, you can just go to the AR preview here, and then you can click the green button to start your web camera. And yes, now you can see the model here. Now I already have the marker printed, and the model will automatically shown here. And this is the augmented reality view. And using this augmented reality view, still you can adjust the scaling if you want, like this, or the translation, or the rotation of the model. So that's also really easy for you. I think it's for example, I just want to make it speed rotating like that, and this, yes, something like this. And if you already satisfied with how the model will look like in the augmented reality view, you can just close it, and then you can start to play your experience in a full screen by just pressing play button here. Click the button. Yeah, now you can see the augmented reality view will be shown in a full screen. And if you want to stop the experience, you just escape, and it's coming back to the original screen. Before you exit the application, it is always better for you to save the experience. You can do that by using the saving buttons here. So you can save the experience, and then you can open the experience later using this open experience button. Yeah, I think that's all the most essential things for the first time user to know how to use a mARk software for the first time. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope my explanation was quite clear for you. And of course I will come back later with more advanced topics of how use mARk in a more advanced situation, different applications. And of course you are welcomed if you have any comments, suggestions, and please contact us, and please visit our website in www.delightInteractive.com. Okay, thank you very much for following, and see you later.